where we grouped it out.
Yeah. Well, you drove a lot back than I told you.
I think I had it in gear.
You pulled about a dump truck load out the back end, and he's gonna
that's always been my fear, is getting in a pit and having those shocks break off.
And he's gonna hit that, right? I want to look at your link setup for my new truck I'm building. I'm going forward. You build that?
I built it.
Did you 4-link it yourself?
Well, yeah, a long time ago. I've done several trucks since then, and better.
What formula did you use on your bars?
25, 75.
You almost had it.
Go get us a couple beers, man. We can't keep doing this shit if we ain't fucking drunk. Hey, you cleaned it out. If they pull you forward, I'm coming in from this side, bitch. Yeah. What more do you 105. Hey, I can still help if you get bumper to bumper. Hey, we're gonna bypass this man, the relay and the solenoids. I know how to do it now. I thought about it. We're coming in from that way, Jeff. That means I gotta step in this shit.
Hey, somebody bring us a couple of beers.
Yeah.
it internally.
Well, I've been doing that.
Not inhaling it.
Where? You only got 100 fucking foot out of it.
Yeah, but I think that puts me in the lead right now.
Did it get you?